Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the live session with Stocks Number Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Like I said, hope everyone's having a good morning so far. Current time is 7:32, April 27th, 2022. All right. Hope everyone's enjoying their day so far. If you traded London session, hope it was success for you. We're now going to start to do live New York. All right. I'm going to do a top-down analysis on gold. Probably Nasdaq, or sorry, we're going to do gold US 30 today, and I might take a look at GU as well. So also guys, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel. All right. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Okay, any trades taken upon yourself. All right, make sure to don't risk a high lot size. Maybe use like 1%. Okay, maybe max. Especially in these volatile markets. We'll go over the news, which we're using Forex Factory. So once we go to top-down analysis, we'll cover some of this and see what we got going on for the day. All right, so let's get ready to roll here. All right, going to find the key areas of supply and demand. All right, so you can see right at the bottom here, gold is actually forming perfect demand area. Okay, on the daily. All right, let's just maybe make that one more. There we go. Okay, now we're going to count back about 5-6 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so generally right in this area right here, same as yesterday, guys. Not going to change too much. It's coming around the bearish flag. All right, so switch this up to supply. All right, now we're going to get our top down completed with support and resistance based on the higher time frame. All right, so I'm just going to move this down 1 second here. Okay, and I'm putting it at this bottom wick right there to gather some support here, guys. That's all I'm doing. You can put it right at the wick. It's not a big deal. Okay, but I like to get some support and resistance here just for the labeling. Okay. All right, and then looking for my resistance. Coming in here. Perfect. So we're right in that area, guys. If we break up, we can fill this wick on gold on the daily. All right, looking pretty good so far. It has a nice little bounce. They're starting to hold it above these previous candle closes. All right, that's a good sign. So let's see what it's looking like on the 4-hour here. Okay, just come back, touch this up. Gather some 4-hour support. Okay. What are you guys' thoughts on gold for today? You do see that there is a little bit of rejection coming in. All right. Nice little push down. Okay, in terms of the 4-hour. Okay, we'll watch and see how this is going to play. So I can also see that we have another candle close, resistance at my 4-hour. Okay, just touch this up. And then we'll drop from the 4-hour, guys, down to the hourly. I'm just going to get the top wick, which is acting as some resistance there. Okay, just going to monitor that. Bring this over for the 4-hour, hold the bottom. Just updating, guys, when you do your top down, so you don't have to really do it when you're getting down to lower time frames. Kind of already done for you. All right, I see another area right here of my hourly resistance. Okay, these candle closes. Okay, let's drop now down to the 30-minute here. Okay, so you can see these wicks getting rejected because of the previous structure. Okay, so right now, you notice we have this long bottom wick right here. Okay, we'll see if that's going to be filled today, or if they're maybe taking a few days, leave that, and then gold is going to push up to maybe 1906, general area right here. Okay, so I'm also going to gather a nice 30-minute support right on the current candle right here. Okay, so we're going to drop down to the 15, and you can see a nice steady continuous uptrend here on gold. Okay, every time it tries to retrace, it picks back up, and we haven't even thrown on the 9 moving average yet. Okay, it's just showing us a nice trend that's forming. All right, so let's drop down to the 5-minute right here. I'm going to gather my 15-minute support one last time. Okay, down here. And then I can see a nice 15-minute resistance right here. Okay, so let's drop down to the 5 now, and then we're going to work on these base numbers right here. Perfect. Okay, so 3 rejections, rejection, 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 and you can now see they got a little bit of a gravestone doji here, pushing up, and that's why price is starting to drop back down. Maybe looking to break the 30-minute support level, okay, coming back down to the potential 4-hour support. All right, we'll have to wait and see how this is going to move. Okay, as soon as we start to break structure, we'll update it based on that. But for right now, like I said, the current time, guys, okay, 7:38. All right, so let's just monitor this until 8 a.m. I am going to head over to US 30, do a quick top down on that. Just because we said yesterday we would probably do the top down on US 30 and leave Nasdaq alone. Okay, so let me just mark this one more time here. Okay, so guys, it's pretty much done now. All right, what we're gonna do is I'm not even gonna look to finish gold up, like in terms of sitting on it for a little bit. I'm gonna switch over and head up to do US 30. All right. One second. Okay, let's go to the US 30. All right, let's go to the daily on US 30. We had a big dump, guys. Recently just happened on the dirty 30. Let's erase all the drawings here. Let's reset the chart. Okay, you can see a nice candle holding right there, gathering some nice general demand area, roughly around okay at the bottom. And remember, guys, this is US 30 on the daily right now. We're doing a top-down analysis. Okay, you can see that this is on global prime. I wanted to show you this, guys, too. So global prime. All right, and we're ready to rock here. 1, 2, 3. All right. So I can see another little supply area right around here. Okay, we're looking good. So let's gather into daily support. Okay, and then we have our daily resistance at the top wick right here. Okay, double tap that bad boy. All right, See one more general area to the left if price wants to break here, and that's looking at 32,958. Okay, so let's now drop to the 4-hour, guys. Tighten this up right there. You can see it working over. All right, do have some nice 4-hour support forming at these current candles right here at the wick. All right, a little bit better would be right here. All right, but price you can see is starting to decrease, so I'm going to gather the wick just for now. We can update it accordingly. Okay, I'm going to gather to my hourly now. Members, look in the group for the trade idea that was sent this morning. I saw it pop on. Okay, see another 1-hour support down here. Yeah, gold retrace, guys. It started to break past that 9 EMA. Okay, so we'll go back to gold in 2 seconds here. Let's just finish this up so we get everything done and we don't have to keep flipping on and off the charts. All right. So I'm looking at right in here. Okay, right in here. See at the RSI where we're at. Okay, starting to move to the upside, looking pretty good right now. All right, let's drop down to the 15. That's what I wanted to see right here. Okay, and we're going to drop now down to the 5-minute. Okay, perfect, guys. So now we just did a top down real quick. You can see that price is starting to get some rejection. Okay, so 5-minute resistance. Okay, guys, so if gold is going to continue to drop, US 30 can start to rise back and maybe test that daily again. Watch and see here. You can see there's a little bit of pullback. Okay, on the 5. Let's just watch and see. Okay, I'm going to set some alarms. This general area right here. This general area right here. Okay, I want to take a quick peek on GBP USD. All right, you can see perfect W pattern here. Guys, this is like perfect on the 5. If you guys know about double bottoms, I'm sure a lot of you guys do. You can see here, there's the support. All right, and then you can see prices starting to rise. Okay, neckline break right here, pushing. Now they're retesting overall neckline. They haven't broken it yet, and you can see maybe potentially a little bit of a downtrend forming here, but overall uptrend based on the oversold conditions as of yesterday. So we'll watch and see on GU. We're not going to leave it. We're not going to chart it until maybe a little bit later. Let's go back to gold and see how gold is moving. Okay. Okay, so we're right at that 50 line, guys. If gold wants to break through here, this thing is starting to dump. Okay, got an alarm on US 30. If we start to get here, guys, like I said, we'll throw on the moving average now. You can see we're getting rejection clear at the MA. All right, and now we're pushing back into that consolidation mark. All right. So remember the time, 7:46, guys. We're looking for gold to see if it's maybe going to fill this big bearish candlestick at the bottom here. All right, might take some time, but again, we'll have to watch and see. Price just started to break below the moving average. You can see right here, starting to fill this baby wick. Okay. So gold is going to continue. All right. You can look at dropping maybe somewhere around here. Okay, I'm looking for this level. See if we can get down to. Okay, 1896.25. Let's watch and see. Okay, so we're selling down to the 4-hour, guys. You can see that this is a little bit of a riskier trade. Okay, one, because of the time, 10 minutes until we have the new hourly open, which can reverse and pump this thing up. You can also see that we're coming into this previous area consolidation. Okay, so might be quick pips. Watch and see. And then we're going to see if we're going to get some more of a drop. The US 30 alarm did go off, guys, so I just want to see how this is going to make a move. So I definitely want to just touch base on that for 1 second. So monitor this. I'm going to set an alarm right here just in case we do tend to drop, and I'm looking on another chart. Okay, so let's go check it out. Okay, there's US 30, guys. Okay. Okay, so gold held that support level, guys. Starting to reverse just a little bit. Now you can see what's going on with US 30. So let's take a peek at the news here. This has a huge impact of what's going on. All right. So you can see there's nothing really until we have 12. Okay, that's EU news, and then we have red folder Canadian news. Okay, then we have red folder Canadian news. So let's watch and see based on how this market is moving at the moment. Okay, at the moment you can see price is starting to rise. Okay, gold is getting rejected at that point. It started to flip and continue bullish. Okay, you can see it just tapped and then it's flipping and continuing in the overall trend. All right, that's why you wait until the new hourly candle. All right, we got to see if we're going to get a retest here at the moving average. All right, and if we're going to get a retest at the 200 moving average right here. Okay. So for US 30, guys, I'm just going to wait until probably 7:55 and check what's going on with there. All right, and then we're just going to watch gold until then. Shahab, yeah, we do. It's right 6:30 p.m., guys, and then we have one tentative JPY one here. Okay, so but 6:30, that's right after the market open, guys. Okay, at the nighttime. Okay, this is PM. All right, just so you guys understand that. Okay, so you can see we're just hovering around these 200 EMAs now. Okay, kind of squinching and stuff like that, kind of pushing right back. So that was a nice little liquidity grab. Okay, and then price push back up, and now we're getting some nice rejection here. So far, we're going to see if we're going to fill these wicks. All right, so the time currently 7:50, guys. Let's just watch and see here, like I mentioned to you. Okay, so price is now trying to attest and retest these wicks right here. All right, we might get a little bit of a golden cross if we want to pump back up. Okay, so there's no real trade taken there. We'll come back to this, see if it does want to break. We'll watch and see for the next couple minutes. I want to see this 4-minute candle start to close. All right. Okay, so you can see the rejection has been evident here. The 200 is now being crossed, okay, with a lot of volume. The wicks look like they're going to be filled. Okay, I'm going to tap these wicks right here, three attempts, okay, but the hourly is acting as nice resistance here. So let's watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, so if we get rejected here, guys, price can push maybe back down and start to see if we can get a retest at these wicks. All right. $751 here. Let's check out the RSI. See how they rejected at that 50 line? Okay, it did not break through. There we go. I want to show you guys this. And then the wicks right there, just to show you guys. Okay, this is a wick down here. Okay, so price did not close below this area. All right, if it closed in this general area below that 1896, I'm so used to gold being in the 1900s, guys. It's crazy. We're looking now, if this wanted to close below here, that's when you could look to maybe grab this like short-term sell. Okay, we can see that the price is bullish. Okay, but nothing closed below here. All right, so if you guys kind of got caught on that impulse, all right, let's just monitor this where we're at right now. Price is still, it's quenched. Okay, it's been, sorry, pinched right between these moving averages. So I think the US 32, let's take a peek at that. I said I wanted to check it out at 755, so we'll check it out in 2 minutes. We'll see how this is rolling. I think gold can get to 1906 today. I think it can break through here and get, if we obviously got that nice rejection there. Okay. If not, it's going to have an indecisive move for maybe until 8 o'clock. All right. And even beyond that, depends, because we've had these things kind of hover around these movements in these general areas for quite some time. All right, especially around the moving averages. When I'm talking with this, is talking with movings. So the last few days, guys, ever since Monday, okay, we've been kind of choppy. Everything's been kind of having push-pull movement around this time. All right, around this time. So remember, we're also coming to the end of the month. All right, big time for any kind of instrument that you're trading. All right. So 36 seconds are going to be this candle close. Then we'll take a peek at US 30 here. I am looking at it right now on another screen. It's looking pretty good so far. It's having its continuation in terms of sells. All right. So it's getting rejected at a 9 EMA moving average. All right. Okay, 10 seconds. We'll see how this is going to finish. Okay, so 7:55, guys. We'll watch and see here. All right. Gonna adjust these. Gonna add some more levels in here. Since that rejection was pretty evident, I think gold can probably get to 1906. Okay, we have a higher time resistance level right up to the left here. Okay, so I think gold can get there, but we have to watch and see. It might take a little bit of time. Okay, and we need to watch price in terms of where we're at right now. Okay, so if price is going to continue, all right, it's obviously not going to happen right here. So I'm going to keep this level just for maybe future sells if price does want to break. Okay, remember the time, guys, 7:55. If price wants to rise, okay, I'm looking for a potential break above here. All right, looking at continuing to 1903 and looking for 1906. All right, it's a huge battle, guys, right now on gold. And you can see that US 30 is potentially dumping, same with GU. So let's watch and see how gold is making a move here. This is going to be a golden cross if it starts to pump. Okay. Okay, so I'll monitor this right here. Okay. So still remember, guys, if you're not comfortable right now at the time, remember the time, guys, 7:56 near the new hourly. Okay. So this is showing you potential opportunities. You don't have to take this. I'm waiting until the new hourly candle right now. I'm going to tell you guys straight up, I'm waiting for the new hourly. Okay. So maybe just to less confusion, if price breaks above here, okay, and holds above this general area, all right, we can start to rise. So watch and see. If not, it gets rejected here. Okay, we're going to start to close back below the moving averages and maybe test this bottom wick. All right. So I'm going to flip over now. Remember I told you US 30. I wanted to check it out. I just wanted to see how the last little candle before the new hourly opens. Okay. So let's go check it out here. Okay, so they sold it off, have an engulfing candlestick here. All right. Looking for short-term sells if US 30 wants to continue in the sells, guys. US 30 has been bearish for some time. Okay, you can see that we just recently tapped below the moving average. All right, so watch and see how this is going to make a move. If we're going to break the 4-hour support here, okay. Okay, so we need to sell here, breaking this general 4-hour support area. Okay, and then we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation dump based on the higher time frame breach of support. Okay. Okay, so remember, it's coming back down to a key level here. Current time 7:58. All right, I would watch. It's up to you guys. It's a little bit riskier entering in near the hourly candle, especially if you're scalping. Guys, if you're trading like swing or intraday, you don't really care too much. You'll monitor it based on the new hourly. But again, when you're scalping, new hourly candles, especially in the morning, have a huge impact on the trading. Okay, so just monitor this accordingly. I am just going to do a 50-point right here to the drop, just in case. Okay, so 9 seconds, guys. This is the new hourly candle coming open. All right, so watch the first 5 minutes, see how this is going to make a move. Okay, let's take a peek on gold too. It's looking like it might potentially push bullish here. Okay, so gold is continuing, guys. Gold is continuing. All right, the nice little entry point. We got to didn't even get a retest here. Okay, nice little move, starting to walk up. All right, secure when you can. Don't get head faked out here. Price is going to get some push down eventually. You can see that price is now coming right near overbought. All right, so don't get greedy here, guys. All right, the trade was this. I'll show you where to put your stop loss if you guys even took this trade. Okay, if you guys got in from right around here, like I said, gold pumped up. Have your stop loss right around the 200 moving average just in case it wants to shoot back down. All right. Okay, and you would go like that if you guys took it at all. If you missed it, all right, don't worry about it. Watch and leave this here and see how it's going to move. I thought that gold might be looking to get to 1906 today. Okay, just from the overall continuation trend. All right. So, but it's holding below right now the 4-hour resistance. We're going to see we're going to get a nice little push to the upside. Okay, so guys, I would look to take this. They're getting a lot of wick down here. Okay, at the previous resistance, you can check it out. All right, so when you look to the left, okay, candlestick rejection here. So if you guys got in on this, you can take some. I would at least take, 75, 80%. All right, see how this is going to make a move. All right, I do see long wicks at the bottom here. Okay, and again, we now have crossed and we're starting to make that push momentum here. The next candle in about a minute and 56, we got to watch and see based on the push, okay, if we're going to get to that continuation golden cross. All right. US 30 is kind of forming a nice little W pattern right here. We'll go check this out real quick and come back. GU dumped. Okay, I'm just checking this out right now. GU sold off here, had some nice rejection at the 200. Okay. Let's go check out US 30. Okay, so still dancing, holding. Nothing has dropped as of yet. Okay, just going to erase this right here. Okay, gold is still holding, guys. It's still pumping up. Okay, so nothing yet on the dirty. Okay, let's focus on gold. It's iffy, guys, on the indices. If they get a push, I'd rather play with something with liquidity. I know gold can be tough sometimes, but at least it has the liquidity to push. All right. We have our US 30 level set here. Okay. So you can see that gold is getting that rejection at the 1902. Okay, so the new candle just opened up below the 4-hour resistance, guys. The momentum is still very strong on gold at the moment. Okay, the momentum is still very strong. Okay, we're now continuing to cross. Okay, you can see the overall moving average is starting to walk to the upside, showing nice levels of continuation. All right, I think that we're going to probably tap 1903 for sure once we get past this 4-hour. I think with the key thing that might get pushed back down is that wick to the left, which is the previous structure. Okay, and you got to look to the left always, guys. Okay, you can see previous structure here, now getting some resistance. All right. And price pushed here, guys. You can see then secondary candle opened and held, okay, above the structure. Down here, price just wicked, didn't really sell, kind of an impulse, okay, impulse, and then it pushed right back up. All right. You have to watch for the closes below or above the structure that you're trading. Okay, if not, this is going to be a hard game for you. All right, in terms of continuations, closing below certain areas. And remember, the price has been bullish. Okay, price has been bullish since the bottom wick here at daily support at 1886. Okay, 1886, and now you can see they're having the continuation up to the 15-minute. All right. Okay, let's go check out US 32. Okay, so nothing below the 4 hour. All right, nothing below. Okay, you can see prices now pushing right back up, trying to hold above that moving average. All right, I don't like where the indices are trading right now. Okay, I don't like the way the indices are trading right now. All right, I might go look at doing a GU trade. I'm still going to keep this on here, but I'm going to flip over and maybe look at GU. Okay, I'm going to go from the daily, guys, do a top-down analysis. Okay, so GU, guys, you can see where GU, we're back at June 2020. Okay, pre-pan, almost near the pandemic. All right, there we go. Okay, so let's make that demand. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, perfect. So let's now gather the support here on the daily. Okay. Daily support, daily resistance here coming in. Okay. Perfect. Let's drop now down to the 4 hour. As you can see on GU, they had that nice engulfing candlestick. Tried to go bullish engulfing, was rejected at the daily. Okay, was rejected at the daily. So it's a critical point now. You can see that the trend is still continuing bearish, guys. Like this is pretty crazy, honestly, to watch. So let's drop now down to the hourly here. New hourly support forming. If we drag this across, we'll go check it out, guys. Okay, gold is pumping up here too. Still, it's still holding. All right. Where's that there? Go down to the 30-minute. Okay. Gonna drop now down to 15. Okay, perfect. Let's get that bottom wick right there, guys. Looking good. Okay, it's pretty straightforward in that previous structure. Okay, let's drop now down to the 5. Perfect, there we go. So hourly support, guys, you can see we do have a nice little, remember that double bottom we talked about here? Bottom, bottom, push. Okay, we're now generally at that same area yet again. Okay, so I have 5-minute support here. We're going to see what's going to happen on GU. Okay, so we're right now in consolidation, guys. You can see prices pushing and pulling. Okay, I don't have too big of a consolidation box. Okay, now we're going to see what's going on with GU here. All right, take a look at the RSI, see where we're at. Throw on the 50 line. Okay, and see where the moving averages are. Okay, so let's watch and monitor GU right now. Okay, you can see it's probably testing here. The 9, we're going to see if it's going to have a full retracement in terms of retracing from the sells to the buys, or if we're going to have the continuation rejection based on the overall short-term sells down here. Okay, so this thing can dump, guys. This is the big general area where price can drop. Okay, not saying it's going to happen right now or today. Price could. Might get some pushback up to the upside, but we'll watch and see how this is going to make a move. All right, gold is still holding, guys. So let's go check out gold. Okay, still holding those buys. All right, we're going to go check out US 30 as well. Okay, so gold is still good. Okay, US 30, guys, yeah, you're right, absolutely. Broke out of the W. Thanks, guys, for letting me know that. Broke out of the W, okay, but now getting that heavy resistance based on the overall 200 EMA, okay? So let's watch and see how this is going to make a move, all right? If we're going to get a bullish continuation, all right, price can push right back from the 15-minute all the way to the daily. Okay, so let's go check out gold real one quick second here. They're both correlated, guys, right now. Or sorry, they're not correlated. You can see that gold is still rising. All right, it's pumping, guys. This is going to 1906 general area rate up here. Okay, and that's to the left. 1906 right here. Okay. All right, so let's update this. We'll check out US 30 now. Brad, too late to be on gold. I would wait on gold for the retracement, the pullback now. Okay. You can see from the last about 30 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes here, it's been pushing bullish. Okay, wait for a little bit of a bearish pullback. We're going to see if we're going to tap at least the 4 hour. This will be 4 hour support now. Okay, you can see it come down here, and then if we hold here, guys, then we can start to walk back up and add more buys. Until then, like I said, right now, watch and see. Okay, I want to check out US 30 just because people are saying it's looking like a nice W pattern. Okay, potential looks very nice here, guys, but remember, if we get some resistance here, price can push right back down. All right. Guys, I use a couple different brokers here. Holy shit, gold just pumped, guys. Fuck, why do we change off that? Ah, told you guys. Going to 1906. Did anyone hold gold, guys? This is a big move. This is a very, very, very big move, guys. Very big move. What gave me, Steve? What gave me that thought is right here, to the left. Is that big M pattern right there? Anywhere in this general area. Okay, it looked like a nice sell down here, guys. Okay, nice little feeler lot sell. Okay, but again, remember it wicked back up within a matter of seconds. Okay, within a matter of seconds, guys. Okay, so there's no real trade taken there. It looked promising. Okay, but then again, you can see it held that support and pushed back up. So it's a little bit of a fake out right there. Okay, liquidity grab before they're making their big move. All right, and you can see that this is a golden cross. Okay, for the continuation. All right. Guys, if gold taps 1906, which is coming to right now within 5 pips, all right, breaks shouldn't told anything about selling. Well, that's just part of the game. If it closed down below there, right, then it would have been a nice little sell opportunity to fill the wicks. But again, that's why you got to watch price, right? You have to watch price, guys. Price is the key thing to all of this. If not, then you know what I mean. It's kind of just like you're throwing your money out there. I wouldn't be entering it now, guys, just because your spreads are going to be high. Breaks, it's okay. Guys, sometimes I talk to people on YouTube, sometimes I talk to people on Zoom. Breaks, just make sure you understand. If you sold right there, you have to have a stop loss, okay? Your stop loss would have been literally the 30-minute right here, okay? Or the 200 based on the lot size that you use. For me, anytime before an hourly candle close, I'm doing like a micro lot, okay, just to see if price is going to continue because the reversals always happen at the hourly. You know what I mean? So use a smaller lot size, guys. And I mean by like say 755, 855, 955, leading into the new hourly candles, use a smaller lot size. Okay, 1% risk is max. All right, so there's 1906. Okay, breaks, that's okay. That's a smaller lot size, anyways. Just make sure to take your stop loss and make sure you use that. Guys, this is a bullish move right here. Okay, all right, this is a move, like a big move, guys. Okay, I'm looking at 1906 as potential sell. We'll watch and see here. It's coming to 1906 right now. Guys, I just took a short sell right now on this. Okay, okay. If anyone took that sell with me, you guys should be running right now. Okay, close when you're happy on this, guys. Price can push back up. Obviously, we're in a bullish trend right here. I think that price can get back to at least a 4-hour support right here. Okay, big move, guys. All right, big move on the sell. Did anyone get in on that sell? Did anyone hammer in that sell? Okay, the sell, guys, came from the previous structure to the left. Okay, to the left. All right, guys, I'm going to post in the free FX group the sell that I took. 2 sells actually. Business beyond, yeah, bro. We're going to look at it probably at market, near market open. Okay, guys, I just posted in the FX group. You can see where I got the sells. Okay. Okay, so we've got a minute and 46 seconds. I don't really care about anything else. Just wanted to see what see what this pushed to. Guys, if you didn't catch the sells here, I wouldn't be doing anything. Just leave it alone for now. Okay. Kayla, up, down. Nilesh, just watch right here, buddy. I don't know what you're saying either. I'm not trying to be rude. I just really have no idea what that means. So just watch right now and see what gold does over the next, maybe 5 minutes leading into the new 30-minute candle. Diddy, that's just it's the old kind of promotion group here. Okay. Not really doing much with that. It's just kind of posting in some stuff to show them what we're doing. You guys are in the Discord, so you guys are good. Okay. Shahab, this morning it was a signal group. I said to sell gold right at 1906. Okay, so let's go check out US 30 now. Okay, so remember guys, you talked about that W pattern. Okay, it looked pretty sexy at one point, and now you can see it might turn into an M pattern here. Okay, nice M pattern, long wicks, so we'll have to watch and see. Yeah, I wasn't looking at anything, guys, simply because the engulfing candlestick here, okay, and the moving average right now, and the overall trends, guys. Mr. Breaks 1902.50, which is the 9 EMA. Okay, scale out around there. All right. Hopefully you can make some pips back if you caught that sell, or if you took the sell initially. All right, and we'll watch from here. Guys, if you want to join the Discord team, okay, I don't always like promoting it here, but you got to join one of the memberships. All right. Okay, one of these ones right here over the two will get you in. All right, and then you can stay for however long. We are updating some of our content, guys. I mentioned that recently. We're just doing some last finishing touches. It's going to be pretty cool, actually. So, new education section coming, and then, like I said, we'll be doing some different things coming up. So, just constantly transforming, guys, into different phases of the group. All right. The sell entry already happened, guys. It was at 1906. No, Trading Joe, I'm not in any kind of sell just yet. All right. So you can see where it's coming to the moving average. All right. Yeah, where's Elon Musk, guys? Okay, yeah, no Elon today, guys. I don't know what's going on. I think you guys all scared him yesterday. His Twitter stocks. I didn't even look at that actually. All right. Musk is he's using that Sex Panther cologne. Some guy just said that. It's hilarious, guys. I don't know what the heck people goes through people's heads. That's too funny. All right, guys. So they're holding right here. Let's watch and see. I want to check out US 30 for right now. Guys, this is TradingView. Okay, pretty straightforward. It's one of the most commonly used trading platforms. Okay. Red folder news in 1 minute. What do we got going on here? Don't really have much red folder here, guys. We just have some folder news, so this might have some impact. All right. Let's take a peek at GBP. Okay, GU is continuing in the sells. Okay. This is where we had the alarm here. Okay, so you can see that price is still dropping off. All right, looking maybe to get back down to the daily here. Seems like everything is selling off at the moment, guys. In TradingView, can you trade? Yeah, you can for sure. All right. Adnan, why don't you have many followers? I don't know, man. That's a good question. We don't put any money into advertising. We don't do anything like that. Maybe that's the reason why. I'm not entirely sure. But I think 30,000 from starting like last July is not too bad. You know, hopefully we get to 100K followers. That would be pretty cool. But you know, it takes time, guys. Just like everything, you got to put in the time, guys. When we were going crazy, getting 100, 200 followers a day, we were streaming London, New York, and Tokyo session all live, right? So that's the difference. Now we just stream New York and we go privately in our other groups. Okay. So there's GU, guys. You can see GU is still dumping. All right. ATEF, you're 5 watching here from one screen. That's huge. Hopefully you guys are in the GU cell. My Moro, check out Trader Sync. We're working on a partnership with them right now. I can't wait to do that. We can actually finally have a nice little journal here. We can start showcasing shit, and then people can see. Yeah, Ian. Considering you have done it all organic, I can show you everything in the back end. Okay, I just don't want to do it live because there's certain keys that people can get, but I have no issue showing you anything like that. Okay, so news, guys. You guys are talking about news here. Let's go check it out. It's not really high impact. Okay. So what we're going to do after this is, okay, so it's negative. All right, so what we want to do is go check out the DXY. Okay, see how this is going to start to make a move. Okay, so big double bottom here, guys. Almost a quad bottom. 1, 2, 3. Neckline right here. Push. All right. Let's go check out US 30 here one more time. Okay, so I can see one clean trend on US 30 here. Okay. Not letting it break below here at all. All right. Is my name Muhammad? Nothing else matters? No, it's not. Unfortunately, my name is not Muhammad. It's the most common, one of the most common names on earth, though. I learned that from Superbad. My name is Dave. Guys, the profit taking would be daily support. All right, the daily support, guys, which is right down here. All right, what you want to do is you probably, if you believe that it can drop down to the demand, which it definitely can, all right, you want to scale out here. We can look at maybe adding a position if this thing wants to dump. Go if it wants to dump, and it's dumping hard, guys. Like this thing is tanking. Hopefully, you guys, Craig. I am the bearded McLovin. Enterprise, you made 800 pips on US 30 in 2 weeks. That's crazy, man. We had a 400 pip trade in less than, I think it was 2 hours the other day. I think it was on Monday. So definitely, I believe 800 pips in a few weeks. You can do that, absolutely, man. W Moore, send me an email with that, dude. I want to check that out. There's also another one that I want to, where me and Ron are looking at right now too. We're gonna probably start using it. Shows where liquidity is and different things like that. It's a really great platform, honestly. It is. But I want to see what the one you're talking about. My man, Aaron. Aaron Kroom, are you on the call, bro? Just saw one of your emails come through. I'm gonna look into that for you, bro. Trust me. I just got your email pop up. You're on notification just because you're one of the admins. So I'll be in touch right after the call. Okay, my man. I appreciate that. Okay. Okay, guys. So you can see they bounced it a little bit here. The TP was daily support, but you can see the buyers are still coming in. All right. The buyers are still coming in pretty strong. All right, coming back down to that short-term demand area. Okay, which is the daily. Josh, I'm not in just yet, just watching it right now. Okay. My man Rian, there he is. Could you get in the what's up, buddy? Guys, if we break this daily, this thing is dumping back down. I don't have much below here. Okay, I don't have anything to be exact. This is all to the left. Did anyone take GBP USD, guys? Did anyone grab that? I grabbed about 8 pips. Okay. Grabbed about 8 pips, guys. You can check with the free FX group too. I showed some gold sells and stuff like that. So Josh, now it's looking like it's coming to that key area here. Guys, so let's just maybe show, some people may have a little bit of trouble seeing. Okay, so this trade would have been about, 23 pips. Okay, if you held, all right, you guys probably would have caught the breakout out here, so you can see now it's starting to retrace. So guys, don't get greedy, take some profit here. We just don't want this thing to reverse and you get all kicked out. And Diddy, that was for you. That was for you. All for you. Jose, you got you. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so guys, let's check out something else too. Harry, you got GJ. Nice, nice. Beautiful, Rob. Okay, so let's go check out gold now. Actually, flip first. Let's check out US 30. Okay, so US 30 looking like it might make an M pattern here or a head and shoulder. Okay, I don't know if you guys see that potential forming. have a let me erase this 9 moving average. Okay guys, so you can see there's a shoulder here. Okay, there's a head here. All right, secondary shoulder here, which means this could be potential reverse if they're not going to hold this key level of the neckline right there. So this dump could be potentially looking pretty nice. Okay, so we got to watch and see. I don't know if it's going to get back down to hourly, but at least we can see that this general move could look pretty promising right now. What platform do I use for trades? MT4, guys. MT4. Check it out on the FreeFX group. Okay. Okay. Gold is holding above that moving average right now. It's not dropping below. Okay. So now we're in, guys, 8:38 the time. All right. It's very strong. Okay, so let's go check out maybe gold. Gold is just sideways trading at the moment, guys. Guys, where can you locate it? Bjorn, just click the big blue thing on the YouTube. It's on the pin message. We just throw it in there, guys. If you guys want to join, you don't have to. It's nothing like we're forcing you to. We drop some free content in there every now and then. Just we haven't dropped too many trade ideas. We should probably drop at least maybe 1 or 2 a day. All right. So maybe we'll start doing something like that. Just show you guys and some trade recaps. My man Ron smashed London this morning. He killed. I watched the trades post session, and they did GU, GJ, a bunch of different commodities and indices as well. All right. So what I'm looking to do now, Aaron, you looking for the chopping gap? Yeah, you could. Jermaine, yeah, buddy, we'll take a look. Can you just maybe forward that to us again? Yesterday after the call, we had a good call yesterday, so we had an influx. I had over 120 emails. Okay, so and I'm not the only one who answers these things. So if you guys could maybe just forward it again. Okay, Josh, this one's for you. Okay, this one's for you, buddy. Okay, guys, I'm up about 15 pips on that sell right now. 20 pips right now. As soon as it broke that moving average. Okay, guys, so if you guys got in on that moving average, all right, you're looking at your scalps. This is a sell. So this is the entry right here. You're looking for the TP at the moving average, right? That would be your stop loss right there, 1903, maybe 10, 8 pips, okay? Look for a quick dump. It already did, so if you missed it, it's okay. All right. Move your stop loss to break even if you want. If you're in from up here, it all depends on where you got in, okay? Okay, guys, if it breaks this hourly resistance, see the hourly right here to the right? If it breaks here, it's going to break with force, okay? And then it's going to fill this bottom wick right here, okay? That's the 9 EMA, guys. Yes, exactly it. Okay, so see, I had to be quick. What time is it now? 8:43 here. Okay, so they dumped back down and picked it right back up, guys. All right. So, Kill, no, this is on the 5 minutes. One quick question let me ask. Hi, please guide me 15-minute scalping, most common things to consider. Dave, please guide me 15-minute scalping, most things to consider. Just watch price action on the 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes it's an amazing time frame. Less head fakes, more of, maybe smooth trading. It all depends on the market conditions, though. But it's just then you're gonna have to wait. That's the only thing, guys. That's the only thing that you got to do when you're trading on the 15 minutes. Is just have a little more patience for the times. Sorry, for the trades to take place. 5 minutes, it's interactive. It's a lot more interactive than the 15, and a lot of head fakes do happen based on that. So you just choose whatever one you want to do. All right. Okay, so I'm going to quickly come back. I'll come back to gold here. They're holding it above that 4-hour support. All right, I just want to see US 30 for 2 seconds. Okay, yeah, still holding that support. Can I share a link to scalp on the 15 minutes? I don't know what link you want. There's GU, guys, still dropping here. Okay, if GU drops, guys, this thing might be the money candle of the day. I'm serious. If GU drops, there it is, guys. This thing's coming back down. It's going to come to the low right here, and it's dropping down to the daily. Past the daily, coming back down to demand. Sorry. Okay, watch the retest here. Okay, so it's now retesting that daily now. This will be resistance. Okay, so you can edit that. Okay, let's take a peek. So you can see the levels that we're at right here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute, how this is looking. Okay, a little bit of divergence here, guys. Webcam girls, you guys are holding out on us, man. I want our lifetime membership for that. See how we're selling here, guys? And then RSI is showing relative strength. Buyers are starting to come in. If we hold past this resistance, guys, this thing is dropping further, and it's going to have a big drop. You can already see the sell pressure is very, very strong. My man Elon Musk is back. Oh yeah. Elon, can we interview you? Elon, let's take a look at your let's take a look at Twitter here. Elon, how do you feel about what's going on with the right now on Twitter? What's going on? Getting some rejection. I see a bearish engulfing candlestick. That's probably because one of your tweets, but who knows? Okay, so there's gold, guys. You can see, let's go back to the 5-minute. Come back to GU2. Zukil, no, don't get fooled by that stuff. It's not really him. Don't fall for that at all. There's no way the GOAT Elon Musk would be on Stock Sniper Trading stream. I'm telling you right now, this guy doesn't give a shit about Stock Sniper Trading. There's no way he would be on this stream. Guys, if we break this hourly support right here, okay, this thing is coming back down to fill this wick on gold. Okay, so short-term sell right here. Watch and see how this is going to make a move. Okay, break. Looking at maybe coming back down to fill this wick. Guys, can I just honestly joke with you? You know, it'd be hilarious if this was Ron pretending to be Elon Musk, just messing with me on my own on the own stream. Please go back to GU. We're gonna watch gold here, guys. Gold's at a critical level right now. Okay. GU is still retesting. I want to see if gold is gonna get a move. Breaks. Did you hold it? Let's watch and see here, guys. 6 seconds. Let's watch and see if we get a dump or a pump here. Can I explain 15-minute scalping? It's the same thing. Just change these candlesticks to 15. 15-minute scalping. Okay. If price continues below this 9 moving average right here, all right, you're going to drop back down. Okay. Same thing. It's just this candle is going to have to wait now. We're going to have to wait 15 minutes for this candle to close. That's really about it. Okay. 5 minutes. I like 5 minutes because it shows where moving averages are. Okay. It shows potential reversals. It shows, nice support forming. Okay. So nothing has broke just yet. Okay. They're holding that hourly. This will be hourly support. Okay. Okay, so we'll go back to GU for 1 second here. The hell are you? There's GU, guys, continuing the dump. All right. So there's your retest and a kill spot right here for a continuation. This is a bearish flag pattern. Okay. Flag pull. Okay. You have your flag and then you have your continuation. Okay. So let's watch and see how this is going to make a move. Gold is holding support here, guys. So nothing just yet. We'll watch and see. We're coming into the new, guys, this is what happened last time. Remember where some people got head faked on gold? Monitor GU here. We're at the low. I'm going to mark a session right here, 25200. Okay, 25200, gonna make an alarm right here. Thank you, Don. I appreciate that. For real, straight up. I was talking to him last night. It was very hard for him to even speak to me. Okay, so you guys can understand Ron's a pretty good guy. So just whenever you can, guys, show your love like that. All right. Okay, so this is, I wanted to break down gold here for 1 second. So remember what happened if you don't wait for the candles to close. Okay, you can see what happened right here. A little bit of a head fake, wick down, everyone would have got caught, and then they boom, pumped it right back up. That's liquidity grab, stop loss raid. You can say they did the same move previous. So we got to watch right here. We got to get the candles closing below the hourly and then the 200. All right. I am seriously amazed that there is someone pretending to be Elon Musk, has this amount of time during his day to sit on some random bearded guy's stream and pretend to be Elon Musk. But I'm not surprised in a way, because there is scammers trying to be pretending to be us too, messaging a bunch of people. So I think people have too much time in the world. I think they got to get a job. I think they got to do something with their life. You know, I don't even think this guy's probably trading. He's probably just pretending to be Elon Musker. So it's all fun and games, guys. But you got to really think about the time that these guys have to blow. All right. So let's watch. Z, my man, what do you think on gold right here? I know you're the US 30, my man. What do you think on gold right now? Mr. Deadpool. I love that name, dude. Always like, move down. Cool. Let's watch and see. We got to get the break first. What time? We're going to trade Nasdaq in about maybe 5 minutes. Let's see what we got going on here. Holy shit, guys. We jumped 200 subscribers today. Wow, did not expect that one. Thank you, guys. I don't know where that came from at all. 200 new subs. Wow, mad respect to that. Guys, we have about 200 likes right now. If you guys could pump this up to 300, that would be great for the stream. It'd really help out just with the algorithm and stuff, you know. And remember, guys, if you're pumping the likes up, you're doing it for Elon Musk. Okay. Okay, so they're holding good support. Got about 4 minutes here. You can see we have, what kind of candlestick is this, guys? Okay, what kind of candlestick is this? Based coming off of the nice engulfing candle. Okay, so let's watch. Nazarene, I'm already in a sell right now. Well, that didn't take very long. 100 likes in a matter of seconds, guys. Art, you found the channel about an hour ago. Yeah, we're going to do Nasdaq, guys, absolutely, straight up. We're going to do it in about 4 minutes. I just want to see the new hourly open. I usually wait until, guys, I try to do 2 or 3 before. All right, you know what I mean? I'll do like I'll do commodity and indice. Don't always do a pair. Okay, but today we did GU, which I'm really happy we did. It was a nice dump. Okay. Okay, I'm just sitting on this one till the new hourly candle here, guys. this hourly support is really holding strong, okay? It's really holding strong, but you can see now it's slowly starting to dump, guys. There it goes, guys. Yes, there we go, guys. There it is. There it is right there. MT4, look at the screen. Blues, baby. Dumpski, 20 pips right there. Oh my gosh, there we go, guys. Okay, I'm going to post this in the FX group. You guys can check this out for yourself. Oh my god. 20, almost 30, oh, 30 pips, guys. Holy shit, let's go. Mr. Elon Musk, my man. Dropping the bombs. I love it. Did anyone take this sell? I literally said sell this thing live. Sell this thing. I'm going to post it here for you guys too. Take that W, guys. Check the free FX group. Just posted that sell. This thing is gonzo. I closed, guys. I freaking closed. But that was the trade. Members, you guys should have been from up here. Okay, this is a flag pattern. All right. But even if you didn't, guys, you got the short below here. I told you guys to sell. Okay, your stop loss, I would have probably gave it like a 1-to-1 right here, just because of the amount of risk. But look at this thing friggin' dump. This thing's dumping, guys. Oh my god. That's crazy. That was a dump. Guys, I have to go. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have to go to the washroom. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. All right, guys. Sorry, guys. I had to drain the main vein on that one. All right. Make sure to you know secure this thing. Remember I talked about the wick fill to the left right here. Okay. Watch and see how this is gonna make a move now. Okay, guys. So we're gonna do time is at 9 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna do Nasdaq as well. I want to check out GU for 1 second. Okay, so see GU made a bounce, guys. It found that nice dragonfly doji here. 1 second. So you guys can see nice support level here. Okay, dragonfly doji. If you guys understand what a dragonfly doji is, this means reversal pattern. Okay, so personal reversal. Keep coming up. Now we're probably gonna get back right into that hourly support. Okay. The new out. Yeah, that's exactly it, Gabe. That's exactly it. Okay, let's go check out US 30 as well. Okay, US 30 is just sideways trading right now. I can see definitely a double bottom forming here. Okay, neckline up here if we're going to start to make a nice little push. No real sell opportunity just yet. It's everything's holding nice 4-hour support. So you guys definitely were helping me out when you guys were saying that. I definitely thought that there was nice support forming, but hearing it from the group guys, you guys gave me some confirmation to believe that. Okay, so let's go check out, finish up with gold here. Okay, gold is still dropping, guys. Okay, so this would have been the overall sell. So my man breaks, bro. If you held that trade, you would have been, your 0.02, the small lots. You would have went up and you would have been down. You would have been good to go. Okay, this thing is dumping, guys. Ooh, guys, 1894. This is the trade idea this morning. This thing is dumping here. Wow. Okay, so still a dump, guys. You're getting a death cross here. All right, remember we got the golden and death cross starting to form. Next support, guys, is going to be the 15-minute right down here at that 1981 mark. Okay. I don't. Okay, so right now, guys, you can see the nice trend break. Okay, it's still selling off 15-minute support level. I think that would be the next TP, but they got to watch and see how they're going to close it. Remember the support level, 4-hour, very, very strong. Okay, they're maybe trying to push it back up. All right. I'm going to post Tyrone when you post, bro. Harry got the gold cells. You guys are killing it. Diddy, a beautiful girl. Okay. Okay, 905, guys. If we break this support level here, we're going to come back down to the 15. All right. Okay, so they're still holding that key level right now. US 30 is moving. Okay, so guys, we're going to bounce off of here. Check out US 30 for a second. So there's the dirty 30, guys. There's the sell. Here's your sell off on US 30. Probably going to come back down to session low here, which is to the left. All right. Head and shoulder pattern right here. Dump on US 30 coming up. We need to have a close below here, guys. Remember this. We need to close below here. If not, they're going to hold support. Remember, this is 4-hour. This is higher time frame support level. Very, very strong. Okay. If you guys don't feel comfortable trading this, remember the time, 9 o'clock. You don't need to trade. Okay. You don't need to trade anything like this. Josh, you left the gold cells. I was wondering where you got to, man. There's like 3 Joshes in here, and all of them love gold. See how they're holding the support level here, guys? Watch. Peak, Boeing did. What's the ticker? Okay, so about 907. Definitely got the likes here to do this, guys. We're going to do top down Nasdaq. No issues asked. My man Josh Kitney, I love cake too. What's your favorite kind of cake? Guys, what's your favorite kind of cake? That's a random question that I like to know. I love food. All right. Anybody a big foodie here? What's your favorite kind of food, guys? Red velvet. Now you got me talking here. Fruit? Yeah, I'm a fruit guy too. I like blueberries, raspberries, banana cake, cheesecake. Don't get me started, Tony. Oh, carrot cake. I'm a fat kid at heart, guys. Not so much of a chocolate guy, but I'm definitely everyone's cheesecake. I bet you guys haven't had cheesecake infused with THC. Up in Canada, we have that. That's some good stuff right there. Am I fasting? No, I'm not. I'm not, guys. I'm gonna tell you, I'm straight up white. Okay. I don't fast. I do fasted cardio and stuff like that, but I'm not fasting like a lot of you guys. You guys are animals though. I don't know how you do it. I can't. I'm seriously, I'm fat. I eat a lot of food. You know what I mean? I don't know how you guys have so much respect for you guys who are fasting right now. Like so much respect. It's I couldn't. I would really struggle with it straight up. I love Indian food, guys. I love curries. I love all that stuff. All the food. I can't do a lot of spice. A lot of spice kills me, but I can do medium. Medium. All right. Yeah, bend similar to keto. Yeah, I'm not too much of a keto guy because I like the carbs, but I've done keto before. Okay. Have I ever had chicken feet? I actually have had chicken feet. Yes. I've had frog legs. I've had chicken feet. I've had yeah. I've tried. I'm a foodie. I'm a foodie, guys. Carbs are for leg days. Corey knows. Guys, shout out to Corey. Corey in the Zoom, guys. He owns a gym. Guy, he just commented. I'm pretty sure it's the same Corey. He owns a sick gym here in London. Okay, he joined up with us on the Lifetime. Guys, if you're in the London, Ontario, anywhere, Fit Club boot camps. Corey, you got the member. Corey, you got your member. Drop the link in the group. Using Herbalife Nutrition. Maybe we'll do a webinar on some nutrition, guys. Maybe we'll do a webinar on some nutrition eventually. Who knows? Okay, so here's the retest of the break of the 4 hour support, guys. There's the break, and we're coming back down. Okay, starting to slowly decrease in volume here. Let's look to the left. First TP, guys, if you're even looking at considering taking this right here, that will be your first TP. I'm a big seafood, guys. I love seafood. I've never had teak, never had that one, bro. Never had pork feet. Is that good? There's the continued sell. Oh, Josh. Oh, don't get me started, man. Lobster ravioli. You guys ever had that? See how they flipped, guys? So they're retesting now. Okay, not the best entry. They're not getting the closed volume yet. It's still indecisive. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna leave this right now. Okay, it's still running on a retest. Okay, well, we're gonna switch over and do a top down on Nasdaq as well. All right, guys. You're hearing about Herbalife. Armasala Herbalife is very bad nutrition. Yeah. My God. You need EdFX. My man, you're still going on here. I remember the first time you came on. It was like 2 weeks ago. I know where you came from another stream, and you're really skeptical about this. And my man, you're still here. You need to try spicy Szechuan pig's feet. Mam la spice. Oh my God. Now you got me all tuned up here, man. You guys get me hungry. All right. Okay, guys. So we're gonna drop off US 30. I'm gonna do top down on Nasdaq. Okay, it's 912, 915. You got to keep the stream going. Talk to the guys and stuff like that. I wish we could have a big group meeting. You know what I mean? I don't like the fact that I'm the only one talking here. It's all right because you don't get like a lot of noise, but again, you really want to interact and have a good time. It's hard when you're just talking to yourself, right? I am in US 30 right now, a small lot size, okay, but I will not hold near market open. Okay. So let's get down to some top down. We're going to start doing it right now, guys. Right now. Okay, I'm going to go to the daily. I have had Mongolian barbecue. We used to have one here in my hometown. That was the best thing I ever had. It was on a big grill. Oh my God. Corey, do you remember that? The Mongolian grill? I'll join today, guys. My word, I will. Okay, so there's Nasdaq. Getting some demand. Okay. And if, guys, shit, I don't know. I don't. Just in case these things sell off here, like this is crazy. If we dump here, guys, we're going to 12,208. Fuck. Guys, if you guys are holding stocks right now, this is the worst time to be doing this in life. Oh my God, they had to just do this, eh? Okay, there we go. Okay, and guys, you can see where I'm setting this up. It's to the left here, always using left-hand structure. Rejection, rejection. Okay, so I'm just trying to gather the base support if we start to dump here. Okay. So I have daily support here. Gold is pushing and pulling, guys. All right. Guys, here's another one here while I'm doing this. Guys, where's everyone from? You know what I mean? Elaine, I have had gator meat. I can't believe I said that live. I have. I had it in Florida actually, and it tasted like chicken. They barbecued it like nuggets. It was pretty good. Not gonna lie to you. Poland, guys, represent. Hope everything's going good over there. South Africa, Latvia, beautiful guys. Two people from Poland here. Nice, nice. Dubai. Where's my man? There's Sultan. There he is. Raj. There we go. UK, Vancouver. Hey, represent. Puerto Rico. Eswani, Colombia. My man. My man Wendell, dude. Show. Dude, Wendell. Always, bro. Always on the calls. Mad love. Norway. We got New Zealand, Daytona Beach. Greece, Nanaimo. Hey, nice. Bangkok. Hey, girl, what's going on? Trinidad and Tobago. My man Wendell, Zimbabwe. Ian, UK. Got Atlanta. What do you guys think about them Hawks? Steve, Toronto. Nice, nice, nice. We got Dubai, Pakistan, Belgium, Puerto Rico, South Africa, Sydney, Morocco. From Ghana, Mr. Quiche. What's going on, big dog? How you doing? That's not daily. That's 4 hour. I'm getting talking too much here. Chi-Town, represent, guys. Have some 4 hour resistance here. I got Scotland, Kyrgyzstan, Indonesia, Iran, Nigeria, Toronto, JS Capital. What's going on, big guy? Pakistan, Chile, Mr. Joker, India. Nice. So we got 4 hour resistance here. Sylvan, Montreal. No Hawks fans. Guys, here's the next one. Who's going to win the NBA title right now? Who do you guys got? My team already got swiped. Oh my God. I was a Brooklyn fan, guys. Straight up got demolished, guys. I lost some money too on that. I had them going all the way. Freaking guys. Raptors, I should be a Raptors fan, although my man won the rookie of the year. He did all right. Twisted, I know. Harden, I know. You guys are gonna light me up now. No, 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 no. Lizard tail. No, no, no. Not right now. Big moves were already made. Boston's playing good, guys. Boston's playing really good. I like Jimmy Buckets though. He's pretty legit. But yeah, the Bucks. You can't really stop. Franco, the Leafs. Oh man, I don't even know if half these people in the world know about hockey on this some of this channel here. I'm just joking. Okay, guys. So 9:18 coming in here. Just gonna wait, chill. Let's go to the 30-minute. Drop to the 15 now. And guys, the only reason why I say that is because half the people on this stream probably haven't even seen snow in their life. Guys, I woke up to snow. It's snowing right now. I'm not even kidding you. It's almost May and it's snowing. Golden State, got that Steph Curry vibes, eh? Redskins hockey fan. Okay, nice. We do have some hockey guys on here. All right. I'm gonna move that bad boy up right here. Any Bayesians in the house? Guys, yeah, ask any questions about broker you guys got here. Anything you guys need. No, I'm not. I'm out. I was out. Like I told you, definitely probably about 5 minutes ago. As soon as I started flipping to here, I was out. Okay. I told you I'm not looking to hold anywhere between near 9:30. All right. So we'll catch another move. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Uh, I just stuttered there hard. We'll catch a move in the market open. Don't worry about it. That's better. My partner's from Barbados. Nice. Beautiful country. All right. So 9:19. Let's go down to the 5 minute now, guys. Okay, now I can see key level right here. 5 minute resistance. Petroleum, NZJPY is a sell. Okay, nice. Yeah, we'll go back to gold, guys. Give me 1 second here. Just let me finish this up, and I'll go check it out for you. It kind of retraced and flipped. Okay, just letting you guys know. Okay, cool. And then we got one more resistance area coming in. There. Okay, perfect, guys. All right, so let's go check out Goldilocks here for 2 seconds here. Okay, so remember I told you about the reversal on gold? Push back up. You have an engulfing candlestick here. Let me just erase that for 2 seconds. There we go. Guys, what do you guys think? What are you guys' thoughts? Do you guys think Nasdaq is going to go bullish or bearish today? What are you guys thinking? Okay, it's 9:21. We still got a little bit of time here. Let's go check out US 30. See how it's holding a little bit of support there, walking back up. Still nice little parallel channel here, so we'll watch. 9:30 is coming up right here, guys. Okay, so just gonna move that over. I'm just gonna erase this just in case nothing really dropped just yet. I'm just gonna move this just to see how this is gonna make its move. Okay. Everyone's saying bearish here, guys. Let's watch. Okay, I do see a nice little downtrend coming in here. Okay, do you guys know what kind of pattern that is? Let's watch. Yeah, guys, your spreads are going to be high too, so remember that. Okay, this is on US 30 here. All right, I am just going to mark this resistance here just so we can gather it, make sure we're good. What does a falling wedge mean? Descending wedge. What does that mean, guys? Yeah, in a head and shoulders, you were right. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and then within the pattern. When you're looking right. Okay, guys, so we're gonna focus. Go check out gold. I want to see what happened with GU actually. Let's see. Okay, so see GU guys starting to push back up, looking like a W pattern here. Okay, GU neckline support, steady uptrend on GU. Okay, still a formation. Okay, so we don't have any support below here formed. So if this thing dumps off again, guys, it can continue, no problem. It did break above the 9 moving average. Okay, you can see it's starting to hold now. All right, 5-minute support. If we hold on this nice little uptrend, price can start to rise back and get to a TP maybe of the 1 hour, but I don't like where the time is. Current time is 9:24, guys. All right. Sour cream pound cake. Oh my God. I don't know what that is, but I want to eat it. Okay, now we have the 925 candle. All right, 925 candles opening up. Gold is still looking pretty bearish at the time. Okay, so gold is retesting that same level here, guys, that 1924. Okay, if we break down here, it's coming back down to fill this wick, most likely the 15-minute support. Okay, 2-bar play, you're getting a dump back down 19.4, pushing back to the upside here. Ooh. That's the best comment I heard all day. Sour cream pound cake. My man D said, I want to smoke it. That's hilarious. All right, guys, let's get ready to go. 926. All right, let's head over. If we tap this here, guys, I'm going to set an alarm. That move is roughly about 30 pips. 30 pip drop, okay? So let's focus on Nasdaq. What happened to the Tesla stock and Kit? You got to ask Mr. Elon Musk on the call. He'll tell you. So I wouldn't be buying gold at all. I would not be even focusing on gold right now. Just up to you. Okay, so you can see price make holding support here, holding support here, holding support here. Okay, we are below the 9 on Nasdaq at the 200. All right. One second here. Okay, let's get set up here, guys. Okay, so we got 2 minutes until market open. Let's just make some notes here real quick. Okay, guys, so if new, don't trade the first 5-minute candle of the New York Stock Exchange, which is 9:30. All right, wait 10 minutes before the market, maybe to settle if you're not comfortable. Okay, and risk no more than 1%, guys. For real, no more than 1%. If you held that US 30 trade, you would be in profit right now. It is selling off. Okay, but again, monitor accordingly. What do you guys think? Is US 30, or sorry, is Nasdaq going to be bullish or bearish? I'm not even going to flip around on both. Okay. If you don't want to touch it, guys, just stay away from it. It's very erratic, and we'll have a lot of big movements based on the overall open. Okay. Okay, gold. That's 30 pips on gold, guys. I'm just going to quickly flip over for 2 seconds. Selling gold. Okay, 30 pips drop on gold. Let's go back to Nasdaq. It's on the 5-minute time frame, guys. I'm gonna make this wide. Okay. Let's watch and see if we get any kind of movement based on here. Okay, now just updating based on overall structure. Okay, the US 30 fell, guys, so that sell would have been nice and valid. Fuck, man, we're always picking the wrong ones. Let's watch and see. Okay, slowly decreasing on US 30. Okay, watch Nasdaq. Okay, so kind of polar opposites right here. Okay, kind of polar opposites. Okay, let it do its thing here. It's a lot of volume. Okay, 5-minute resistance up here. Okay, about a minute and 53 seconds, guys. Just wait and hold here. Could be a big extended double bottom, but we'll have to watch and see here. Okay, rejection is happening very strong. Okay, no push movement here. Slight retracement starting to happen, starting to challenge the neckline if this is going to be a double bottom. So let's just watch and see how this plays out. Throw on the 200 there. Okay, so clean resistance. If we're not going to break up here, guys, it's going to be a rejection and push back down, leading into the sells. But if we pump right through here, this thing's going to start to push. It's okay, Gustav, no worries. It's going to push potentially that back up to the 5-minute resistance. So we'll watch and see. Ghost trader, bro, moving averages do nothing. I beg to differ on that. That is one argument that I will make. They act as support and resistance. So you got to go back and check if that's the reason why we're using it, or if we're looking for entry signals or exits. If we're looking for entry or exits, yeah, they're probably pretty useless. But again, you know what I mean? We're looking for more support and resistance based. Okay, guys, secure when you can. This thing looks like it's probably getting rejected. Universal knowledge. No, we just had a big GU sell here today already. It already was a nice GU sell. Okay, let's go check out US 30 here. I don't really want to miss these moves. I'm not moving. I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. There it is, guys. Okay, I'm running 2 trades here, both in blue. Okay, both of the entry at the 9 right here. Sorry, 200. Okay, looking pretty good. Members, you guys should be getting that. All right. If you guys took the 15-minute resistance buy, okay, it's almost at the resistance right here. Okay, almost at it. So if you guys got it, look to secure, they could push this thing right back down. All right. And if you guys want to know what the trade was, okay, it's a riskier buy, but this was it right here. Okay, this was the buy right here. Okay, I have it right in the FX in the group. Okay, and then secure when you guys are ready. Okay, we'll go check it out. Let's see what we got going on here. Peek, I should, but it's more fun doing like this, honestly. Okay, Nas is coming back to a previous area structure where it's heavy resistance, guys. So if this thing breaks above here, we can possibly get to the daily. Okay, very strong move we have right now. Two big bars coming in. Which moving averages? These are the 200 and the 9 EMA. All right. Yeah. Whoever said sell on Nasdaq, sell on Nasdaq right around this area right here. Okay. Right around this area right in here at this time was the best. You can see now it's coming into the same area, which is looking pretty good. You can see the rejection is happening very strong, right? But again, we got to watch now and see if the rejection is going to now push it below the 200, okay, and have a maybe retracement sell. All right. The initial moves were buys, so buying power, buying power. Now you're getting that test right around the 200. All right. And guys, this is still within the first 10 minutes. So if you guys are just watching, you can just watch. All right. The best move obviously would have been from down here, and I have a feeling there was some divergence. There was. Okay. So you can see price dropping down, price action, and then you have the RSI starting to make an upward trending move. That's leading into the push movement there, right? SPX all blue, Ghost, nice. Did you get in the sell or the buy? I haven't looked at it right now. Okay, I'm just waiting now, guys. 8 seconds, let the candle close. Nice, so you smashed the sells. Nice. This thing's pumping into the buys. All right. So if we break here, okay, guys, this is looking like getting retracement now. Okay, see how the previous structure? All right, same general area, 13,004. This is where we had the massive sell-off before at 7 o'clock. Okay, if we break here, guys, this thing is going to the daily. Okay, but we're at a critical area right now. Very critical area. Be careful right now, guys. Be careful right now with what you're doing in terms of trade entries. Okay, this is going to have a big pop off if this thing starts to move in the bullish direction here. Okay, we got to see how the candles are going to start to close. All right, it's a lot of indecision right now, generally because we're in some consolidation. All right. Okay, so no one should be buying right now. Nothing at the moment. Okay, watch and see the next little bit. Wait until the last minute of the candle here, unless, like I said, we do start to break the 5 and then it starts to walk off. But again, wait until the minute coming in very shortly. Franco, we do more than just one session too. We do, like I said, London as well, and then we do some webinars, okay, and back testing, and then live Q&A. All right. Check the 15-minute candle, guys. Yeah, we can check that for sure. Yeah, look at this thing, guys. Probably coming to that daily here coming up. Okay, so Ghost Trader, hopefully you're not on sells, bro. Just looking out, man, straight up. It might get rejected here at the 200, so hopefully that's going to hold for you nice. But the buys are pretty strong today. Pretty strong buys. All right. I'm up about 130 bucks on this buy here. 160 now. 200. 250. Okay, I'll send this to the smash the daily, guys. All right. So guys, I'm not really going to be doing too much more. This is pretty good. One trade, one and done. This actually hit target. I did mention to that the 15-minute resistance is coming to the 5, and it actually pushed fast. All right, so let's check out what we got going on gold here. Guys, so that gold trade idea this morning, the one that probably people thought we were nuts for, that thing's running about 80, 85 pips. So let's just make that update right now, and we'll go back to Nasdaq. Guys, we had that gold sell in the morning. Okay, I can post that in the Discord group. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll post this in the free FX groups just so you guys can see. You guys ask about trade ideas all the time. Everyone says ask about trade ideas. Okay. Perfect. And then you can see, guys, Nasdaq is flying. I really hope. Fuck, man. I really hope the guy on SPX short did not short. And I hope Ghost Trader, my man, if you're still there, bro, hopefully use small lot sizes. This thing is bullish, very, very bullish. Okay. So guys, honestly, straight up, it's 9:45. Okay, we don't need to do this anymore. Like if we guys hit this, this is good. You know, not much more needs to be done. All right, not much more needs to be done today. Gold is dumping, Nasdaq is pumping, US 30 is pumping. You know, so GU is good for scalping, dummy. You just want to make sure that you're going for maybe 5, 6 pips, depending on what time frame you're using. So, yeah, guys, that's about it. Honestly, straight up, gold is dumping. You guys want to check out gold again? We'll check out one more. Everyone loves gold. Okay, gold is still dumping, guys. And please check out the free FX group. Okay, please check out the free FX group that's pinned. It shows you that we gave this idea in the morning. Okay, the break was the 19, where was it? 1894 here. Okay, 1894. Gold is running. This thing's running almost 117 pips. Okay, and then it's still going. So, guys, straight up, I'm not like we don't need to do. User, it was 1908. Or sorry, 18. Where is this bad boy here? 1898. So that would have tapped right there. No, 1898. This is 97. So it wasn't tapped. So sorry about your luck right there, user. You can see 1898 is right up here. Was not tapped. So good try, but definitely wasn't tapped. And then it continued down. So cool, guys. All right, this is great. I hope everyone had a good call. You know, gold paid off for maybe the guys who just bought the signal group and didn't trade us live, and you know maybe caught the overall sell. You know, for maybe the dump. Even if you caught the overall pump, it's good. All right. Gustav, it could have been tapped with spread depending on your spreads, depending on your brokers for sure. But again, you could have entered in again and had no problem. I know guys that were still holding that from the overall trade, and they didn't get their stop loss tap, so that's good. All right. Cool, guys. So that's pretty much it. I don't really have much more for you guys. I think it was another great day. Nasdaq is pushing. All right, we're gonna do the same time, same channel tomorrow, guys. I would not be shorting Nasdaq. This thing is gonna go bullish throughout the day, at least for the next few hours. All right, so yeah, guys. I hope everyone had a good call. Straight up, same time channel tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. Let's check out the news. Okay, so tomorrow, guys, we have 8:30. Nice. We have some nice U.S. folder news. So this is going to be nice. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. Okay, so make sure to tune in. I know there's, guys, straight up, there's plenty of really good streamers who start before me. So make sure to check them out. I've mentioned their names before. Just make sure to please check them out. And then if you guys want to scalp to 5 minutes on some news folders, some high risk fun stuff, come check it out. Okay. So, guys, with that being said, we're going to call it right now. Nasdaq is still pumping, and we'll go from there. All right. God bless you guys, and thanks for joining in, and thanks for sharing all of your, your foods, everything that you guys have been sharing on YouTube and Zoom. I appreciate it. All right. So, wicked, guys. Okay. Later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.